I'm Jane. I love to garden. Today I am going to do some more winter sowing. I was asked by a viewer to show how to winter sow in a container from my own seeds from my own yard. So come on in. These are strawflowers that I collected from my own yard. There's some pink ones. Look how pretty. See? You just open them and the seeds are in there. And now they're all over my yard. See, the seeds are right there. Let's start with the potting soil. Take a cheap potting soil. Take some water. You're going to moisten it. Get it nice and wet.
No one likes that word.
Moist.
No.
You're going to get it nice and wet and dripping, sopping wet. We live in the desert, so more water the better. It's going to drain out your pot. Then you want a pot that has drainage. You can also do it in the milk jugs and clear plastic jugs. So the rule of thumb with that is if you can see your hand through whatever plastic you're doing, it's translucent enough to winter sow in. But we're going to winter sow in this pot today, okay? You want it pretty soupy, in Utah at least. So we're going to just dump it in.
That got everywhere.
Yep.
That's why you want drainage holes.
Yep. So when I do big pots, I usually like to layer the bottom of them with organic materials like wood chips, rabbit bedding, leaves, so that you don't have to put so much potting soil in it. But today we're just using potting soil so I can show you what we do. So come back. So we got this nice soupy mess that's just draining out just fine. This is a straw flower collected from my own yard this last fall. So what you do is you open it up. So all this puffy stuff is actually chaff. And then we'll put the actual seeds in Kim's hand here. Do you see those dark rectangle? Those are actually seeds. But the point I wanted to tell you was you can mix the chaff and the seeds in many.
What's chaff?
Chaff is the stuff around the seeds. I don't think they're actually petals, but the fuzzy stuff, the stuff that's not actual seeds. So then all you do is you sprinkle it, and you can sprinkle even the whole flower head in there because it's going to biodegrade down and it does not matter. And then you just mix it in. That stuff I don't think I'll put in there, but even that, watch, I'll show you. It doesn't matter. If the seeds are really tiny, I sprinkle on top. If they're not, I put them a little bit under the soil. Come back in here, or I just kind of pat them down. So that is ready to go. In hindsight, I probably would have layered this. Okay, next step, plastic. This came from, I think, either a toy.
It came from the foot thing.
Oh, my daughter bought me a foot bath. This came from the foot bath. Thanks. She didn't know I needed the plastic too. Okay, so then what you do is you put it around the pot. You take whatever you have, a knife or scissors, and you just poke holes.
Be careful.
Yep. Poke holes, poke holes, poke holes. You want the rain and the moisture to get in. And then you take twine. This is a brand new thing. Let's see if we can find the end of the twine. There it is. Okay, simple. Take it, come around the outside. And you can even tie first and then make the holes after if you want. Okay, can you see where I'm tying? And just tie it on. Make sure you have enough holes for them to get in. We're gonna have straw flowers for this next growing season. I love straw flowers. Bye! Here are some winter sown straw flowers. They are so cool. Listen. Isn't that fun?